more noodles. So
Oh,
you try this one too. I cook everything I cook except the chicken.
That's
Chicken manjos. Chicken is from manjos.
Mangos. Dapat ano eh,
Ano?
wala sila Gilbert eh. It's already March.
Next week, may let's say yung pa.
I don't know. When? March?
Saturday, Sunday.
This week?
Next week.
This week? Well,
Express na?
wow, that's fast. Summer again.
Yay!
You could write your bite again, Sean.
Hmm?
You could write your bite again.
I know. Can't wait.
Coming to work, Sean?
Mhm.
From where?
Markham.
Wow!
That's too much, Sean.
Yan! Let's go from Markham to Baker's.
How many minutes?
Hmm?
How many minutes?
Oh, it's probably an hour and a half. No,
Mhm.
not long. An hour and a half.
Wow. You don't get tired?
Uh-oh.
Oh my god. Gusto mo pa daw?
No, thank you. I'm good na. I'm good na.
Ay nako, kapainin ko lang sa aking katibalat.
Pwede.
Dapat itabi ko sa akin, Julia.
Kaya nga, pwede mo yung balat.
You want. I'm gonna pass it to you.
Ako kinakain ko lahat. Sabi kaya.
Yeah. Sarap yung masarap. Para sinipan. Sina sweet. Para sinipan.
You're done?
All done.
Oh.
Or other things?
Hmm? Oh,
There's a lot soon. Yeah.
I'm full. Oh,
Try.
I don't need dessert. Thank you.
Next time we buy another one for you.
It's okay.
See you, Sean.
See you. Thank you.
Thank
Happy
you.
birthday, Betty. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
You eat so little.
Have a good day. Oh,
Yeah.
It's okay.
Panilihan.
I
Thank
know.
you. Thank you. Happy birthday, Betty. Thank you.
you.
Thank you, Sean. Ang dami pala.
Ate Jo, dito ka sa tabi ko.
Happy birthday to you.
Tawagin mo na Sir
Happy
Lynn.
birthday.
Lumabas naman si ano.
Ayaw mo yan?
Tawagin natin sila, ano? Napagkain natin si Troy. Hindi ko naman alam si Troy.
Ay!
Ano
Malinis
number
naman
ni
yung
Troy?
lap table ah.
Ano ang number ni Troy?
Hindi ko alam.
Hindi ko na alam. Thank you sa lamat, Jo.
Welcome. Hindi ko yung inanong ah.
Hindi ko nga ako may Troy dito.
Wala kang Troy. Wala.
Wala eh.
Sorry.
Nakakaya naman kila MJ kasi kung mayayayain ko baka.
Baka.
Yayain mo na.
Ikaw! Ba't me? Ako walang problema.
Ikaw may birthday ko. Ang kanina pa sila sinasabihan, ikaw may birthday.
Wala akong number sila eh.
May number ako.
Sino kasama niya?
Si Roy.
Wala, nakalimutan ko si Troy. Alam nga naman sa pag-usapan ko siya.
Kumain na yon. Mamaya na lang. Kanina ka sana. Hindi na sila ng pagkain.
Baka naglilinis pa yun. Iwanan ko kanina sa may papel. Pwede naman mamaya, ano?
Yeah, snacks.
Or bukas? Masisira na ba?
Hindi.
Hindi, basta nasa mabuti na ano.
Ilagay lang sa...
Fridge.
May lagayan dito, wala. May freeze dito, wala.
Fridge lang.
Meron.
Ah, dito na
Kaya
lang.
tawagan mo nga, kausapin ko si MJ. Di mo pa tinikman yung bibingka. Kasana si Arlen.